still work in progress. And the roll cage. Wheels, 18-inch Mesa. Roll cage isn't finished yet, going to add some more reinforcement in. The new floors. New floors, new gearbox tunnel. And prop tunnel. The front wheels will come out a bit more than this because I've bought extended wishbones, 35mm longer. So now it's looking at the engine, 1UZ, and just going to make some manifolds up like this. Just began on the first one here, and then there'll be another one over here. Of course they come out and then join them together into one, up to the turbo, which is going to be placed about here, and then the exhaust can be routed down under here. Not sure if I'm going to put the exhaust out the back or out the front wing or not, or whatever. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, plenty of work to do still. The front panel now is going to be, the original one's been removed, and it's going to bring the metal out here like this. You know, in a hoop to here, and it's going to be, so it's going to be removable, easy to fix anything. Is the inside again. I'm sure I've made some mistakes with the roll cage according to, you know, like specifications to FIA or whatever, but that's just a bit of fun. The car hasn't got to meet any specific standards for what I'm building it for anyway, so I'm sure it's going to add a considerable amount of safety and strength to the car anyway, however it is. Nice proper thick tubing. I'll show you what was used here. This cold rolled steel, and the wall thickness 3.2mm. So yeah, there it is for the time being.